My favorite dental procedure is the SBT.
SBT.
SBT. SBT.
SBT.
SBT.
SBT.
SBT.
My favorite dental procedure is the SBT because it doesn't just clean the teeth, it helps protect the teeth, and for someone who has always had fear of going to the dentist, this is the way to go because it only uses water and air.
I love it pag hindi nangingilo yung ngipin ko kasi yun yung medyo factor sa akin kaya ako natatakot. Comfy yung feelings habang ginagawa yun tapos hindi ako kinakabahan.
Actually, super ako na-excite nung nalaman ko na meron ng SBT yung Urban Smiles. Minsan my part yung sa scaling na very sensitive. Now they have the SBT which is air, water, and powder lang.
My favorite ko na dental treatment is SBT. It's used of parang air and water. So, hindi siya harsh sa teeth ko.
My favorite treatment po sa Urban Smiles is really yung SBT kasi talagang naaalagaan niya yung teeth namin. Lalo na ako, personally, sobrang sensitive talaga ng ngipin ko. Na super smooth talaga yung process.
Ang dami ko pong favorite po pero siguro pinaka na lang SBT kasi talagang comfy talaga siya. Wala kang mafe-feel talaga pag ginagawa ni Doc.
Ako po super excited talaga ako to visit the clinic for SBT kasi as in sobrang smooth nito and hindi siya harsh for my teeth.
Hindi ko lang in-expect din na possible pala magpa-cleaning na walang pain kang mafe-feel kasi ang gamit nila water, powder, and air. Sobrang adaptive lang ng mga gamit ng Urban Smiles. Sino ba naman gusto masaktan, di ba? Sino ba naman gusto magpasaktan? Magpapaklean ka na nga lang, masasaktan ka pa. I hope matry ito lahat, lalo na kapag mababa yung pain tolerance nyo. Very recommended ko to for you.